welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this tortilla pizza. First, you want to start off by microwaving some pepperonis for about 10 seconds. Then you're going to heat up your stove to like a low or medium heat. Give it a good spray and add your tortilla. Then you're going to take any kind of pizza sauce and spread it around your tortilla. Next, sprinkle with any kind of cheese that you like. Here I'm just using mozzarella. Top this with whatever kind of topping you like. So you can do sausage, pepperoni, you can make it healthy and add vegetables. You can even change this whole thing up and add barbecue sauce and chicken, and that would be really good. After it cooks for a while and the cheese is melted and the bottom is a little crispy, go ahead and take it off and you're ready to slice it. Here I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning, so I'm taking some dried oregano and crushing it in my hands and sprinkling it on. And that is it. After I slice it up, we'll get the kids' reaction. How does it taste, Levi?
Good.
How do you like that pizza, Blake?
Good.
Good?
Oh yeah, good. I like it too.
Yeah? Do you approve? Is it Blakey approved? Show us how.
Thank you, Lord.
Huh?
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord, for this good food, right? But don't you usually give Mommy a thumbs up? Where's my thumbs up for that one? Thumbs up. Delicious. Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Click here to subscribe and check out my other videos. Bye.